What do ours do?
Artists learn and practice techniques to create art. They take care of their tools and materials, and they are kind and clean up when they're finished making art with one reminder. What does it mean to learn and practice a technique in art? Well, Alegria and Trimagine are going to show us. Alegria and Trimagine are helping Grandbab today. As they are sweeping out the tree, they find an old paper. Look, Grandpa, this looks like a map. Yes, it is a map. This is an old treasure map. What treasure, Grandbab? It's a map to find color stones. Can we use it to find the color stones, Grandbab? Yes, but you have to follow the directions step by step. Oh, let me see this map. Oh, yes. First, you must go to the rainbow waterfall. Next, keep going up until you see the tall, tall mountains. You will see red, yellow, and blue stones shining in the sun. However, you can only take one stone at a time back down the mountain and into the big leaf rainforest. Alegria and Trimagine went to the waterfall and then climbed up to the mountain. They would find one beautiful stone, take it back down to the rainforest and place it on the big green leaf. After a while, Alegria and Trimagine were really tired from all the mountain climbing, swimming in the rainbow waterfall. They decided that they should go from the rainforest just right back to the tall mountains and skip the waterfall. But when they got there, all the stones were gray and dull, not bright and colorful at all. Alegria remembered Grandfather's words to follow the map, step by step. Yes, they had skipped the waterfall. Now the stones were dull. I know, let's go back to the waterfall and try again. When they got to the mountains, the stones were bright and colorful. Let's follow Trimagine's step-by-step directions and learn their technique to make our own watercolor painting. Trimagine and Alegria here. We're going to share our adventure finding color stones with all of the students. I'm inspired to make a watercolor painting of the color stones. Sure, Alegria, we're going to get a friend to go with us this time. Meet Brushy Brush. Brushy, tell us why you're perfect for this task. Hey, Brushy Brush here. I'm great for painting. I love to swim in the rainbow waterfall. When I jump out, I hide water in the hair on my head. But I don't like to be drippy. If there's too much water, I have to dab my hair on a paper towel. The colors don't like too much water on them either. They don't like to get flooded. Also, I have pointy hair. I paint nice, thin lines. Be very gentle when you paint so you don't crush the point on my hair. Brush slightly side to side and don't push my hair down hard on the paper. It makes my hair fall out. I don't have hair. I'll get thrown into the recycle bin. Thanks, Brushy Brush. Let's get started on our step-by-step painting adventure. Time for a swim in the rainbow waterfall. Wow, that's some clean water. I have too much water. I'm going to dab a little on the paper towel. Let's take some up the mountain to the colors to wake them up. I'll put some water in this color. Down the mountain and to the rainforest. We can only have one color. Then we have to go back to the rainbow waterfall and let Brushy wash his hair. Ooh, now the water's blue. Some yellow. Now that Brushy has clean hair, we can go to the yellow. Get some color. And then we go back down the mountain to the rainforest and put the color on the rainforest. It makes a nice color. Now I'm going to get some blue and yellow and mix them together. Oh, what a nice green. I'll put a dot on my paper. Now I'm going to wash my hair. Are you having fun, Brushy? I love swimming in the rainbow waterfall. Next, I want to add another color. Don't forget to wash your hair. Remember, if you don't go to the rainbow waterfall, you get gray, dull color stones. The darker blue and the lighter red. Together. Ooh, purple! Yay! Now I'm going to make a dot of it on my paper. I think I need some clean water. My water's looking gray. If you have gray water, your colors will be gray too. There's our painting.